Saranya, can you read one's question?
Okay, sir. A particle of mass 1 kg is thrown vertically upward with the speed 100 meter per second. After 5 seconds, it explodes into two parts. One part of mass 400 grams comes back with speed 25 meter per second. What is the speed of the other part just after explosion? It is equal to 10 meter per second square.
Yes. So one particle which is having mass 1 kg projected up with velocity u is equal to 100 meter per second. Next, what happened? It traveled 5 seconds time, and there it explodes into two parts. After traveling to 5 seconds, it became two parts now. And one of the mass is 400 grams. Can I write in kg means one of the mass is 400 grams means can I write one as 400 grams is nothing but can I 0.4 kg? Grams to kg, can I write 0.4 kg? I took that as, let me take this is M1, otherwise this one is M1. Other one is some M2. One is 0.4 kg means other one will be how much? Total 1 kg. Yes, exactly 0.6 kg. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes. They told that one part of which is 400 grams come back with the speed 25 meter per second. This is coming back. With what speed it is coming back? 25 meter per second. 25 meter per second it is coming back down. So what is the velocity of other part? What is the velocity of other part? Like that the question is asked. So what I heard is it didn't explode at the starting. It is exploding after traveling 5 seconds. Explodes. It explodes after traveling 5 seconds. So first of all, before explosion, after explosion, momentum will be same. According to law of conservation of linear momentum, what we know, there is no external force acting on the system. Total momentum of the system will remain constant. From that information, what I can write, momentum before explosion is equal to momentum after explosion. So anyhow, momentum is a vector quantity. Let me write like that. And now what can I write here? Here before explosion. Where did it explode? After 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it explodes means let me do like that. It went like that. Initial u is equal to 100 meter per second. Is going up. A equal to minus z. T equal to 5 seconds. And what is the velocity at that instant? After 5 seconds means v equal to u minus gt in vertically projected upward body. That's the equation what we know. So v is equal to u is 100. G value they mentioned as 10. So 10 into time is 5. So can I write here that is time is 5 seconds. So what should I write here? V is equal to 100 minus 50. It is a 50 meter per second. So the speed at that instant is 50 meter per second before explosion. This is before explosion. Before explosion, the speed of that main particle is 50 meter per second. So from that information, I'm coming back. First of all, it is going in which direction? It's going in which direction? Upward. So generally, I have a habit of body going upward means I have a habit of taking J cap. Body coming down means I have a habit of taking minus J cap. So from that, what I can write here, I can write like that. Momentum before explosion means total mass. Total mass is how much? Capital M, let me write, into velocity. It is going up. And there the velocity at that instant is how much here? Finally we got, here we observed. The finally what is the value we got here is 50 meter per second before explosion. So 50. Which direction it is going? It's going up. J cap. Like that I wrote. Now, after explosion, it became two parts. One is M1 that is coming down with 25 meter per second. See, one of the mass is coming down with 25 meter per second. Just now I told going up plus J cap, coming down means now I will take this as minus J cap plus M2 into what is the other velocity? Let me write here only. Let me remove this part and I will write here in same line. So M2, other mass is what happening in which direction it is moving. I don't have any idea. Maybe it is moving up. I don't have perfect idea. So simply I'm writing V2 bar. I don't have clarity on that. So I'm writing it as V2 bar. Now, M1, M they mentioned total mass as 1 kg, 1 into 50 J cap is equal to, they mentioned this as 400 grams. 400 grams in kgs means 0.4 into 25 minus I will write here, J cap I will write here. This is as out of 1 kg. Out of 1 kg 0.4 we removed means remaining is 0.6 and V2 bar. Now I'm sending this total part this side. Total part this side. What will happen now? If you observe here very clearly, 50 J cap minus of minus plus 0.4 into 25 J cap is equal to 0.6 V2 bar. Now, 25 into 4, generally it is a 100, but 0.4 is there. So I can write 50 J cap plus 0.4 means it is nothing but 25. We can write 10 J cap is equal to 0.6 V2 bar. So 50 plus 10, all you know that it is 60. 60 J cap equal to 0.6 V2 bar. Let me take that part to next page. So I'm writing 60 J cap is equal to 0.6 V2 bar. So what should I get here? V2 is equal to 60 by 0.6 J cap. That is nothing but V2 is equal to, it will become here 100 J cap. 100 J cap. Here J cap indicates direction. J cap indicates direction above. Directed up. So what is the value here? V2 is equal to 100 meter per second. What is the value what I have? I hope you kids clear. So 100 meter per second, which direction means? You have to say upward. How you know upward, sir? Because I got plus J cap. You can observe here, I got plus J cap directed upward. If I get minus J cap, I would have written it as downward direction. But I got plus J cap, so upward direction. So 100 meter per second upward. That is my final answer. So you check here what happened first. Body projected up and at a certain height after traveling 5 seconds, it explodes into two parts. So what I did here, first I have taken before explosion. It came to 50 J. What is the speed it got? 50 J cap. You can check here. Body projected with 100 meter per second. After 5 seconds, what is the speed it attains? 50 meter per second. So that's the same thing I wrote here. That is a 50. That is a J cap going upward direction J cap. Then M1, second part, downward they told. This is J cap means that is a minus J cap. They told 25 meter per second given in question. In next part, what happened? I don't know the velocity. But they gave the total mass as 1 kg and M1 as 0.5. The obviously 1 and 0.5 means 0.6. Actually, they didn't mention 0.4. They mentioned 400 grams. So I converted to kg. So left is 0.6. By solving that, finally I got the V2 bar value as 100 J cap. So J cap gave me information upward. 100 is the meter per second is the speed. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.